Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Gilbert, a 9th grade student from SDL Lingao. Today I want to show you how to make fried broccoli. The reason I want to show you how to make this food is because it is easy to make and healthy for your body. Before we cook, we need to prepare all the ingredients, the tools, and also the materials that we need. And before I show you how to cook it, I will show you all the ingredients and also the tools that we need to cook this food.
The first thing that we need are the ingredients. The ingredients needed are 1.5 pounds fresh broccoli, stem on, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon dry mustard powder, and the last one is a half teaspoon salt. The next thing that we need to prepare is the tools. The tools are easy to find, which are spatula and knife. And the last thing we need to prepare is the material. The material needed to make this food with stove and a pan. And now, the time has come to tell you all about the steps to make fried broccoli. First, chop the broccoli into medium-sized florets. Leave a good amount of the stem. Second, mix 1/4 cup water with garlic powder, onion powder, and mustard powder. Third, add the olive oil to a large skillet and heat it on a medium-high heat. Fourth, add broccoli and salt. Cook 2 to 3 minutes until the color starting to get brown, and stir it occasionally. Then, reduce heat to medium and add the water and spices. Cook it occasionally. Taste and add additional salt and black pepper if it is necessary. And finally, your fried broccoli is ready to serve, and serve it immediately.
Broccoli has a positive effect to your health when you consume it. It has a lot of benefits. For example, it is a major source in fiber. It is extremely high in vitamin C, and it is high in protein for green vegetables. Fried broccoli is delicious food and doesn't need much time to make it. You should try making one of these because you will not regret making one of these. Also, we need to keep our bodies stay healthy while in COVID-19 pandemic. That's all. Thank you for watching.